In this video, I'm going to go over drawing pencils and how to use them for your artwork. In your kit, you all have a packet of drawing pencils that contain 12 different pencils. And you may have noticed that they have different labels on them, usually a number and a letter. All right, so this is a 5H. There is a whole range of pencils in your kit, and they all mean something. All right, these numbers and letters are not just for giggles. They actually talk about how dark or light the pencil is. So I'm going to tell you how you can use these numbers to create different values in your artwork. The middle in your most useful pencil is the HB. The HB pencil is the true middle value. All right, an HB pencil is actually what a number 2 pencil is. So you've probably been told so many times, oh, you need a number 2 pencil for the machine to read your test or whatever. An HB pencil is a number 2 pencil. It's the true middle. On one end of the HB, are the H's. H values are lighter because the graphite that makes the pencil is harder. On the other side, B values are darker because the graphite is softer. And I'm going to show you an example. So this is my HB pencil, and I'm just going to do a nice shading here, right? When you shade with pencils, you use small strokes to create a nice, even texture. And you want to be consistent with how much pressure you are putting on your pencil. All right, I'm putting about a medium amount of pressure down right now. I'm not pressing too hard, I'm not pressing too soft. And I'm keeping my hand constantly moving. Okay, if I'm getting some areas that are darker than others, I can go and darken up some of the lighter areas, or I can just use lighter, heavier pressure depending on what I need. Right. So there's my HB value. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my lightest value, which is the 5H. Right? So I'm using the same amount of pressure and the same type of movements. I'm doing small circular strokes. And you'll notice that this value is lighter than my HB value, even though I'm putting the same amount of pressure on my pencil. All right, so there's my 5H. Then, my darkest value, I have a 6B. So I'm going to take it. I'm going to put the same amount of pressure on my pencil. I'm going to do those same small circular strokes. And we can see that this value is darker than my HB. I'll hold it closer so you can see better. Right? There's a clear difference between these three values, even though I use the same amount of pressure on each one. That is because of the hardness or softness of the graphite.